Hi, welcome to the Pioneer Imports and Wholesale new sample room. My name is Sarah Botchick and I'm here to show you what our new sample room experience will be like. It is a little different than our previous showroom, so we wanted to make sure that anybody who had been here before knew what to expect when they came. As always, our sample room is only open to those with a vendor's license or sales tax resale number in a related trade. And our new sample room is open by appointment only. So you'll book up your appointment online. There's plenty of directions on how to do that on our website. The new sample room has two key purposes. The first is the obvious of checking the materials and the colors so that you can make sure that you get the right product for your project. The second purpose is to be able to plan. It's kind of a workroom. This sample room is what we use as our workroom for our planning and our product development. And we wanted to open it up and show it to our customers. So we've cleaned it up a little bit and we have it open in this new format so that you can come and work here too. When you do arrive, the first thing you'll do is pick up the phone, which will call back to our customer service staff and let them know that you've arrived for your appointment. They will then come out and greet you and walk you through into the new sample room. You'll notice here in the foyer, we have a variety of designs from our past photo shoots that you can purchase at a great reduced price. One of the great things about this new sample room concept is that we are able to show more product. We are able to have most every product that we have in stock or have coming back for another season out. So you can shop and you can come and you can plan for an entire season at a time, maybe even a whole year if you want to come up from far away, and you can sit here and work and do all of your planning. If you do want to use this for a workroom, when your associate comes to greet you, just let them know, and we have a table that we can bring out so that you can sit and work. Now it's a little different concept than before in that we have now a computer set up in the back for you to enter your own orders, kind of like a self-checkout at the grocery store. It saves everyone time if you do this, but of course, if you are uncomfortable with the computer, we are still happy to take your handwritten order and we'll enter it ourselves. But your sales associate will help bring you back to the computer, and they will help you get logged into the website if you are not already familiar with that, and they will help you get all set up for your order. You'll notice that we have a wide variety of products in both silk and baskets so that we're serving the floral, gift, and event industries. When you're done with your order, you will just pick up the phone, let the staff know, they will process your order, and the warehouse will start pulling it right away. Now, when that happens, you're welcome to go sit up front and wait, or go grab a great cup of coffee. We have some great coffee shops around here in the town of Berea, Ohio, but we'll have your order ready as quickly as we can. We very much look forward to welcoming you back to the Pioneer Imports and Wholesale new sample room. See you soon.